Hey, hello, how you doing today? Hope you're having a great time today. My name is Chill Digital. So today I will be training you how to set up a YouTube channel that brings real money. So today we're gonna be covering creating a Google account, creating a YouTube channel, optimizing your YouTube channel, verifying your YouTube channel, setting upload defaults, add a watermark, adding channels keyword, adding channel description and links, connecting ASIN with your channel, upload your video, schedule your videos, make a custom thumbnail, good, and also click bait, then secret to finding tags, increasing to subscriber and watch time. So what they are, so let's just go get it done. Okay, good. Now the first thing we want to do, we want to create a Google account or a Google account now for myself or for to manage my business, but I'm going to do it for myself. Okay, I want you to follow me. So the name and the first name is okay. Now we're gonna be clicking the first name. Let me say for the case of this training, estate money. So let's say estate money at gmail.com. Give it a password. Let me say my password is okay. Good. Then click next. Estate money statement. So I can add a number at the back of it. Can add a number to it, like adding on to it. Okay. Oh, good. Phone number. Okay. Alternative. Is optional, so it's not necessary you put that. Also, let me just put our date here. June. Let me say June 7, 90. Wow. Let me just put 94 for this training. Click next. Okay, to send me a verification code. Okay, now I'm done with my creating of Google account. So let's create our YouTube account. So I'll come to youtube.com, then click on my Google account, my channel, click my channel. Okay, this is the name I just created for Gmail. So estate money. So create YouTube channel. Okay, now we're gonna be making some setting here. Now first you're gonna click on customize channel, customize channel. So now I'm gonna click on this description button here, give it a description of my YouTube channel. Okay, yeah, this is my description. Now I've written the description, so click done. Good. Next thing I'm gonna do is adding adding a banner to the back of my channel. So I've designed one banner, so I just want to use this for the case of this training. Okay, banner. Okay, I'm gonna add this banner. Click the banner. This is the banner. Open. The banner size is 2048 by 1152. Get that in mind. 2048 by 1152. Okay. Click select. Good. This is my banner. Okay, now I'm gonna change this image also. It could be anything. It could be my logo. It could be my picture. It could be anything. So I'm gonna use a logo. I designed a logo, so I'm gonna use that logo. Upload. Do I have the logo here? Okay, I have the logo here. Good. Alright, done. Alright, good. So I'm gonna refresh this page. Alright, it's ready. So the next thing I'm gonna do now, I'm going to select a section, content. So I'm gonna pick popular popular uploads. Now leave it as low. Done. I'm gonna show you that. Then you come to your about us. Okay, now we want to verify our YouTube channel. So how do we do that? Now come over here, this logo, click Creator Studio. Creator Studio. Anyway, this is a new background of Creator Studio. So what are you gonna do? You create this Creator Studio Classic. Then you come to Other. Then you submit. You want the old interface of Creative Studio. Now, what am I going to do next? I want to verify. Don't forget. So I come to Channel. Then click Verify. You verify your account. I put in my country, which is Nigeria. Call or text, any of the two. Okay, call or text, any of the two. Okay, now I'll click confirm, but I don't want a call, I want a text. So I'll click on text, then phone number, space, submit. I'll get a code on my phone. Now I have my code. This is the code. So I click on submit. Confirm. Now good. Confirmed. Continue. Okay, good. So the next thing we're going to do now is setting upload default. Setting upload default, which I've done earlier, but I'm going to show you how to do that. So you come down here, upload default. Leave it off. Leave this public. Then you choose category. Choose category. For the case of this training, I will choose auto, or it could be music, it could be select your language. It's very important, English. Then make sure you check this thing, because it's called allow viewers to contribute translated title, description, and subtitles. So it allows the community to give you an English translation to your video. Okay, I know you get that. So make sure you click on save button. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is add a watermark. Add a watermark. So how we're going to do that? If you want to add a watermark, then you click on branding. So add a watermark. That's good. Add a watermark. So the watermark must be either it is PNG or JPEG or GIF. Is it PNG or GIF? So let me choose a watermark. It could be your image, it could be your logo, it could be anything. It could be anything. So I'm gonna add this thing. Open. Save. Good. Then save. Oh, can you see? It's cool. Then make sure you come to custom start time, entire video, update. Good. Now we want to let's see the next thing we're going to do. We're going to add our channel keywords. So how do we do that? Channel keywords.